Hey guys, how you doing today? Today we have this 2014 Jeep Cherokee. It's lost key. They have a key actually, but it's not working. The situation is you can remote start it, but when you get in, it doesn't recognize the key. So it's a proximity key, and we're gonna make there a new one, and then let's program it. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so we have this the smart key. We call it proximity. Push start. Let's try to program it first. Let's go to this is Jeep.
Yeah, do it again, do it again, do it again.
Okay, so we're inside the car. We have this proximity key. We have AutoProPad. Let's go to Jeep. See if we can find that Jeep. Let's see. Either Jeep, we can go to Chrysler. They're same as Chrysler. So let's select by vehicle. There you go. You have a Jeep. Then Cherokee. We have 2014, so we pick a 2014, 2018. Okay. There you go. It says a bypass if you have a 2018 up, but we're not 2018 up, so we're okay. Okay. Please turn hazard on and turn ignition off. So ignition is off. Let's start the hazard on. So the hazard is turned on, and then okay. First, let's read the pin code. There you go, 25739. Don't forget that, 25739. Okay, then 25739. Immobilizer, proximity, program key. Oh, there you go. It actually read it. I auto identify it. So press OK. Then hold the key fob to the that need to be programmed, which is we have here near the center console. Which let's put it in a center console right here. So continue to press the unlock button within 10 seconds. Let's press it again. Put it right here. Close here. Unlock button. Let's do it again. Fail. Let's do it one more time. It didn't go right away. It said within 10 seconds, so we got to be quick. So program key. Okay. Then let's go to unlock key. Right here, center console. We gotta find it. Okay, it's not going. Let's do it again. It's not doing anything. Let's go back. Okay, so we had it programmed. Let's try it on. Let's turn it off. Let's see. This should work, but I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay, fabric not detected. I got one running. Got one running. Let's try one more time. Turn it off. So it should be lock and unlock. Let's close the door.
I
Close the door. Okay. Let's try it again. And try it. Lock, lock, unlock. Start it. Alright, it's starting. We got it running. Turn it off. And we're gonna try it to remote start. Let's try the remote start. Okay, there you go. Let's go inside. And then key detected. There you go. We got it. All right, let's program again. Okay. I would just put it in center console somewhere here. Within 10 seconds. It's not doing that. Hold on. Okay, let's program one more time. Okay. All right. Ignition on. Then immobilizer. Then program key. Press OK. Let's go to center console right here. We gotta find somewhere until we find that position. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's try the other key that we have. All right, let's go back. Jeep Cherokee. Again. Please turn on the hazard, which is on. Make sure turn the ignition off, so that's off. So let's turn it off again. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's try it again. Let's go immobilizer, proximity 24739. Let's go right here. Center console.